Hi, I'm Jessica Warner with Lincoln Electric. Today I'm going to be talking to you about TOPTIG. When you need to provide your customer with robotic TIG, there isn't much to turn to today. With most customers coming from critical industries like aerospace, medical, and transportation, there's no room for error in terms of spatter or appearance. Many robotic manufacturers have avoided TIG because of complexity, and in turn, so have you. I'm happy to say Lincoln Electric has the answer, and it's called TOPTIG. TOPTIG mimics the human touch, automatically dabbing wire into the puddle to create perfect dime-on-dime welds, with speed and consistency only a robot can provide. And the game-changing design tackles the feedability, access, maintenance, and other pain points that block you from fully supporting your welding customer. TOPTIG utilizes the FANUC servo torch, a servo-driven feeder that gently pulls specialty wires to ensure accurate placement and helps avoid bird nesting. Since it's native to the robot, it allows ultimate control of the wire feed, which is what you see with the forward-reverse dabbing motion. The revolutionary torch design brings the feed tube directly through the nozzle, guaranteeing consistent wire placement and allowing near-MIG access on smaller, hard-to-navigate joints. The integral feed design also allows you to move in any direction, which is not possible on traditional cold wire feed torches. Changing out tungsten becomes simple with the quick change collet system. No more time wasted disassembling the torch. Just preload the cartridges and swap in seconds so you can provide a reduced cycle time and faster return on investment for your customer. And with all equipment from a single company, sleep easy, knowing there's only one number to call to keep you and your customer up and running. When your customer needs quality, consistency, and dependability in their TIG welding, rely on 125 years of welding experience. Rely on Lincoln Electric. For more information on TOPTIG and our ready-to-weld integrator systems, visit lincolnelectric.com.